Artemis II's launch to the moon has been delayed following a helium issue on the Space Launch System. I'm Zach, and this is a TLP breaking news update. Here's everything we know so far. NASA engineers identified an interruption in helium flow within the Space Launch System SLS Interim Cryogenic Propulsion Stage ICPS, the upper stage that performs the crucial burn sending the Orion spacecraft out of Earth orbit and onto its trajectory around the moon. Mission managers and teams at NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida are now troubleshooting the issue. NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman was the first to break the news, saying teams were working the problem on the pad, but also preparing for a rollback if required. Just an hour or so later, we got a larger update from the administrator. The helium system in the ICPS is critical. It purges the engines and pressurizes the liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen tanks. Importantly, the system worked properly during both wet dress rehearsals, but during a routine repressurization operation last night, teams suddenly could not get helium flow through the vehicle. Right now, the rocket is in a safe state. Engineers have switched to a ground-based purge system instead of the onboard helium supply while they investigate. There are several possible causes for this issue: a filter in the ground-to-vehicle umbilical, the quick disconnect interface, or an internal check valve on the rocket, similar to an issue we saw with Artemis I. However, all of those components are inaccessible while out at Launch Complex 39B, meaning repairs can only be done inside the vehicle assembly building. Therefore, NASA has now confirmed they are preparing to roll the Artemis II space launch system back to the VAB and confirmed that this removes the March launch window from all consideration. Program leadership acknowledged that the public disappointment meets the internal disappointment, but emphasized that setbacks are part of human spaceflight and they'll only fly when it's safe. NASA administrator said a full briefing will be expected later this week, which will outline the path forward for Artemis II, but also future missions. We'll have to wait to see what that all entails. This is a developing situation, so make sure you subscribe for the latest Artemis II updates, and I'll see you next time because space is better together.